Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So on gold, I think that the first push down right here is a wave A. I think this is a three-way pullback to the move down for a wave B, and I think once this pullback is over, which I don't think it's over yet, it's potentially going to go down for a wave C to complete an ABC of Y. Now, the most likely place for wave C of B to go is normally the 100%, which is above the $3,400 area, but it doesn't have to go that high. It potentially could turn it to 78%. It could turn it to 90. It could turn it to 123, 138 if it wants to. We just need to pay attention to our fib levels to identify what one of these levels, this move up right here, forms the end of a trend at. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do not have the end of a trend now, that's for sure. And this right here does look like it's making a new high, so this would be a valid structure for me. Meaning that if price goes down and takes out this structure, I believe that could tell us that the wave C is over, right? So this would be your wave A, this would be your three waves of C, three waves of B, and then this potentially is your C. We might have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if it does go down, if it does break all these structures with momentum, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Does it have to go down and break these structures right here? Absolutely not. So just keep in mind the only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is seeing a break a structure. Otherwise, I would continue to look for longs at any pullbacks I see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.